your ultimate guide to illuminate your bedroom with stylish hanging lights. Are you looking to add some warmth and style to your bedroom? One of the easiest and more effective ways to elevate the glam quotient is modern hanging lights for the bedroom. The right lighting can transform your space whether you prefer a cozy, intimate atmosphere or a bold and statement look. Types of hanging ceiling lights for bedroom. Gone are those days when the bedroom lights only called for tube lights. Nowadays, lighting plays a significant part in interior decoration. Different types of hanging lights are available in the market, such as chandeliers, pendant lights, string lights, and more. While decorating your room, you must consider what purpose that light will fulfill in your space. For instance, if it is for only decor purposes, choose a designer chandelier. If you want a stylish version of bedside light, then pendant lights on both sides or one side of your bed works best. Choose the right theme-based hanging lights for bedroom ceiling. If you are following a theme, it's important to choose lights that match the overall decor of your bedroom. Instead of investing in a light fixture that matches the color, choose lights that complement your furniture and other accessories. For instance, we have followed a Moroccan decor in the bedroom shown in the image below. So, we have installed chunky hanging ceiling lights for bedroom that go well with the overall theme. Determine the best placement for your hanging ball lights for bedroom. Where you hang your lights can greatly impact the overall look and feel of your bedroom. If it is a prominent accent light fixture, it should be hung in the center of the room as a focal point. Alternatively, pendant lights go well on either side of the bed. These hanging ball lights do wonder against the black wall behind. Create an intimate ambience with DIY plug-in hanging lights for bedroom. Bedroom lights don't have to be expensive. Even some string lights can do wonders. All you need is some inspiration to tickle your creative mind. For instance, 2 strings of bulbs hanging from the 4-poster bed have given this space a moody vibe. They work wonderfully as both ambience light and decorative pieces. Determine the sizing and scaling of your hanging lights for bedroom ceiling. When selecting lights for your bedroom, measure the ceiling height and consider the room size. As a general thumb rule, smaller rooms should have smaller fixtures, while larger rooms can handle larger fixtures. Choose a fixture about 1/3 the size of the furniture it's hanging above. If you have a low-height ceiling, skip on the chandelier, as it will make the room feel smaller. Instead, use ambience lights and pendant lights that hang low. It would double as bedside lamps. Smart modern hanging lights for bedroom with space crunch. Hanging lights can be a great way to add style and ambience to even the smallest bedrooms. Choose compact, warm-colored light fixtures with high lumens. Use multiple light sources, position them according to function, and maximize natural light with large windows. Add accent lighting and dimmers, and avoid harsh overhead lighting for a cozy ambience. Take good care of your hanging ball lights for bedroom. Once your light fixtures are hung, taking care of them is essential to ensure they last for years. If you have metallic light fixtures, polish them every 6 months to keep them shining. Also, it's important to keep replacing the bulbs and get the wiring and earthing checked regularly to prevent damage. Since you have spent a fortune decorating your bedroom with stylish light fixtures, you must take good care of them to ensure they shine for long. The bedroom is the most personal space for every individual, so its design should reflect your personality and taste. We hope this guide on hanging lights for the bedroom was beneficial to you. Thank you for watching.